Welcome to another episode of Ask Plexus DX. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic. What role do genetic variations play in determining our energy levels and metabolic function? It's really interesting how some people seem to have endless energy while others feel drained after just a few hours of work. Well, the answer might just lie in our genes. So, let's break it down. Genetic variations, or polymorphisms, are basically changes in our DNA that can influence a whole bunch of biological functions. These variations can affect how efficiently our bodies metabolize nutrients and even our risk for certain diseases. For instance, some folks can burn fat like it's nobody's business, while others struggle with weight control because their metabolism is, a bit sluggish. One of the key players in this game is the FTO gene. Research shows that certain versions of this gene can impact body mass index and fat distribution. If you carry specific variants of the FTO gene, you might find it harder to maintain a healthy weight, which can lead to lower energy levels. Then there's the MC4R gene, which is all about appetite control and how our bodies spend energy. If you have mutations in this gene, you might feel hungrier and burn energy more slowly, making weight management a real challenge. Now, let's talk about how these genetic variations actually affect our energy levels. The ADRB2 gene, for example, influences how our bodies respond to adrenaline, which is crucial for mobilizing energy. Depending on your genetic makeup, physical activity can trigger different energy responses, impacting your stamina and endurance. Another important gene is the PRGC1A gene, which plays a role in energy metabolism and mitochondrial function. Different forms of this gene can lead to varying efficiencies in how we convert food into energy. If you have less effective variants, you might find yourself feeling fatigued more quickly during workouts or long days. So, what can we do about it? Here are some practical tips to boost your energy levels and metabolic efficiency. First, personalize your diet. Focus on whole foods. Think fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that help sustain energy. If you have genetic variations affecting carbohydrate metabolism, consider moderating your carb intake and opting for complex carbs like whole grains. Next, incorporate regular exercise. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or cycling. Mixing it up with both aerobic and strength training can really help improve your metabolism and energy levels. And remember to listen to your body. Adjust your routine based on how you feel. Lastly, prioritize sleep and stress management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and establish a regular sleep schedule. High stress can zap your energy, so consider incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga into your daily routine. And hey, cutting down on screen time before bed can really improve your sleep quality. In conclusion, understanding the genetic variations that influence your energy levels and metabolism can empower you to make better health choices. And if you're curious about your own genetic makeup, I highly recommend checking out Plexus DX's Precision Health and Wellness Tests. These saliva-based tests provide valuable insights into your genetic identity, helping you make informed decisions about your health. You can find Plexus DX tests at plexusdx.com, Amazon, and walmart.com. Links to the tests are provided in the show notes below. If you found today's episode insightful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in to Ask Plexus DX. And remember, take control of your health by discovering what your genetic data reveals.